Bula everyone! Hello from Malolo Lailai Island, Vuna Baka Ultra Luxury Development and Six Senses Resort in Fiji. This is about a half an hour boat ride from the international airport in Nandi. We're looking at the main marina area of Vuna Baka. This place is the ultimate of the top that Fiji has to offer. Notice all the beautiful colors out there, incredible diving, and also world-class surfing. Right there out just off the break is restaurants, cloud break. Some of the just incredible world-class surfing is literally, they're just minutes away. Back to the main island this way to Viti Levu, and then straight there is Wandingi Island, recently purchased by Americans. And Tropica Island Resort is here. You have Castaway Island Resort there, Liku, and Malolo Island Resort that way. And then also you have Mana Island, which is just a little further out there, and that is where the actual movie Castaway was filmed. And for all you Survivor fans, that is where Survivor United States is filmed. And guess what? I'm standing on the edge of a residential lot available for sale in Vuna Baka. They have a very limited number of lots and home sites available. A total of 60 lots, and only about 30, less than 30 remain. This is one of them. And you're talking ultra luxury, bring in your yacht and do everything that you want to do. This has it. It has everything literally turnkey. And right here, the great thing is these homes come with all the packages that you can actually customize and build out your home. So find out more about this. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679-999-2051, and we can get you all the specs, all the details of living in this ultra luxury community. And if you don't stay here full time, the great thing is you can actually rent your property out within the Six Senses rental pool. So you're going to have super high-end rental clients and share that revenue and have it professionally managed. It's by Six Senses. And you can see some of the folks here working, all the grass cutters. They're mowing the grass over here as well. These guys, you can see, take pride in what they do. This is ultra luxury, and if that's what you're coming from around the world and you want here in Fiji, you can do it right here. We have a home site here, and we have other home sites available. So again, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679-999-2051, and you can learn all about this incredible community of Vuna Baka, and you can come and smell these beautiful plumeria flowers with me right here, right now. We hope you're having a gorgeous day. It is fantastic and sunny and just incredible here in Fiji. We hope you're safe and well, and press freeze on your computer and start imagining your home right there. We look forward to seeing you here soon. Great fishing and snorkeling and scuba diving right there. Vinaka!